As shock begins to settle from Nairobi's deadly Westgate mall attack, many Kenyans have more questions than answers. 85 questions, to be exact. Kenya's vocal online community has crowdsourced a list. Number 26, why the conflicting information from government sources? Number 83, what is the government doing now to ensure more effective security across Nairobi? While others put a skeptical twist on Kenya's hugely popular hashtag #WeAreOne, changing it to We Are Wondering. Andrew tweets, how many died? Where are the hostages? Why isn't Kenya getting answers? But some asked if the questions came too soon. Stephen writes, hard questions have to be asked when everyone's listening, not when many are mourning. But Kaling writes, patriotism demanded we back our army while the siege lasted. It now demands that hard questions be asked. Government accounts did try to address their critics, though. Kenya's police tweeted, we'd like to urge all Kenyans to be patient as investigations are done to enable us to answer all the questions. Please. Our next leads out of Italy, where the world's leading pasta brand is in hot water. Guido Barilla told Italian radio his company would never show gay families in advertisements. Italian activists responded with a boycott. Gay rights group Equality Italia said, we accept the invitation not to eat his pasta. A hashtag Boicotta Barilla took off as Italians' outrage boiled over. No matter if you like farfalle or macaroni, just love, tweets Jeremia. Barilla was quick to address the controversy. I apologize for having offended the sensibilities of many. I have the deepest respect for all people without distinction. Well, for more on that story, head to our website at stream.aljazeera.com. Femi?